Dear authors, we have now heard from 3 referees whose comments are attached below. As you will see, they've raised concerns about your interpretation of the facts, your choice of model systems, your references, and the style of your prose. Oh yeah. Referee number 1 says the topic is interesting, results are incorrect. Referee number 2 says the results are correct, but the topic isn't interesting. Referee number 3 suggests 14 additional experiments, although tangential to your main point would be nice to have. Oh yeah. As a result, we regret that we cannot offer publication at this time. Please know that we value your work and would like to see more of it in the future. At the same time, we remain committed to the high standard of the archival journal of upper nasal cavity research. Music and therapy.